So, hello everyone, and this is the fourth of the Python tutorial. And in the last tutorial, we made our variable, and we just did our variable and we made an input. So, now let's start by printing the variable. So, let's just say print and brackets. So, first, I'm actually gonna create another variable called name equals in the brackets input. What is your name? And over here I'm gonna say hello, comma, name. So this is our name variable and this is a string. So this is called string concatenation, and when we enter our name, I don't know if it actually accepts. Yes. So it does hello Arjun Tagayat. So it's combining hello and our variable name. So whatever we entered in name. We can also put a plus over here, that's also fine. Yeah, so basically, but we need to add a space for that. So plus strings space, then we'll get a proper output. So I'm just gonna leave it as a comma because it's much simpler. And so this is as simple as that, printing our variable. So now we of course had a problem in the play variable. We have to, and we need to check like an if statement. Actually, I already wrote it. We need to check that if play is true, or they have entered yes or no. So we check it by an if condition. So we'll write if, and whatever we give over here. So we can give an example 3 is greater than 2, and this is of course, and we have to put this thing at the end, otherwise it'll give us an error. So we can say like if player variable equals not triple equals to string yes, then this, and yeah, we can. So this is basically a condition. So this can also be no, that's going to be our next one. And in here we can, well, I don't know, write our main function. So we can just say print yes, yes, no. Well, okay. So I'm just basically putting whatever the game is about. Wise. So basically I printed this, and over here we can also write another if, not is, if play equals blah blah blah, but we can also continue it from here. So we can write if, this means like else if, and then we can say play is equals to, I don't even know, no, right? So semicolon, we can say print come on, Yeah, so this is basically, and another one called else, and we don't need to make any condition. There's no condition for else. So if the user enters something else in yes or no, we go to the else part, and this might be select no. So yeah, so now it works. Yeah, so it works now, and we say no, no. It says this, and another if we enter something else. Yeah, so it tells this. So this is the functionality of if else, and here's a challenge. So get ready with your plan. So first, after this, we are going to have an input which way you want to go, and it can be there's a door, there's lava inside, and another one there's a whale. That is actually my game. I'm just telling you an idea from that. So go ahead and plan your thing, and then we'll write our code next time. So pause the video and plan your game. So hope you have done that, and over here what I'm gonna do, first we need input, so which way you want to go, and for that so I think we'll take another variable called way to go. And by the way, did you notice I put an underscore because variables can't be with a space, it will give us an error. So variable equals int, which is an integer, int, and in the brackets, oh come on, int in the brackets input, and another brackets, and over here we say you are at the start. Doors, I said doors, yeah, doors, the first one, two, I don't know, what can I add over here? Maybe a night thing. So I'll be quite funny for that. And the second to a okay, so now the user won't enter always night world thing, and because that's actually too long, and that's why I've given an integer. So over here we say 1 for always night world thing, and the other one, that 2, is for So another close parenthesis over here, and so if you enter 2, of course we see an if for that. What am I saying? So where to go equals 2, and no, I mean, what do you call it, quotation marks over here. I mean these double quotes or single quotes, whatever you want to put. So now we're doing an if inside an if. Now this seems a bit weird, but like it's not that, it's also valid, and you might see we're getting an error over here, but we have to put something in here, then the error will go. So first I have to put 1 over here. So I'll print you are in the night sky. So over here there's only one option. Yeah, that's all. Actually, I need to put this in where to go, so we go equals int and put over here, and yeah. So another if over here and we say where to go. I don't know what happened. Or why do we get an error? Invalid syntax. What is so wrong here? Yeah. The parenthesis. Wait, there is some problem in the indentation, so I'm just gonna rewrite this whole thing. Where to go equals int put. Yeah, now it's fine. What if this happened? What's the error there? So I just basically rewrote the whole if statement and now it's working. So over here we want to say if again where to go equals to 1, and we say print actually where to go again, where to go equals int input input, where are you? You see a vampire in the second. I need to put 1 over here. So this is basically the story part. I'm just telling you like how to place it. So over here, can do you try to find a house? So cool. So now another if and is this can't finish. So way to go equals 1. So I'm pretty much doing 1 over here, and after that we'll do elif for all of these. And over here we can say, way to go equals, no, not equals, and so I'm just gonna paste this like 100 times. Run. Yes, cool. So last we are done, and now let's start making the elifs. So for here, elif, way to go equals to 2, and over here, what do we say? You try to find a house. I mean, that's the actual correct answer. Int, and then import. You're right hungry. Let's do a lava pool. Door leads to what? So we can say over here leads to a what? Lava pool or something? Now let's not make it that too obvious. We can say So done. And this is quite confusing. So I'll give a hint over here. Okay, so the third one is the correct one because vampires, if you stay in the house for a long time and manage to sleep over there, and morning vampires can't handle that, so if you wake up in the morning, then the vampire will be dead and you are free. So that is really amazing. So what I'm gonna do, so this is like become a lot of code, and we're going to type more and more. So first what I'm gonna do is, that is my thing. Yeah, so the elif is there over here, and we need an if inside an elif. So like, so now what we want to do is for, I don't even know, this thing, you see a vampire in the street, that one we have made the elif, and for this we have made the elif. So over here, if you see a vampire in the street, you run as fast as you can. So that is done over here, and you try, that is also done over here. So now for this one, you're in the night sky, walk in the street, so we don't need to make one for that. And for this one, the blue whale, you want to choose always night watching and hungry blue whale. So hungry blue whale will kind of lead to a victory area probably, and so this all the way it leads down to this area. So we need to make an elif there. Then we want to actually we have to put way to go here. So way to now where to go equals, why do I keep on putting equals int input, and then we just say like what can we say here? Do you see 10 doors? What? tell here. We can say like you see a thing. You see a it. So make sure like N. So this I need to just check if this is correct. So G and then R, G, R, and then E, E, no E over here, right? E, E, no G. E, E, N. So G, R, E, E, N it tells. So we can write a print. Actually, I'll put this in this only. I'll just remove this. So now like our game is almost functional, and so we can make it fully functional. So over here we say, and we need an if thing for this block. So you find a house, you have to slime and slippery, and the third one leads to this area. So I just need to copy paste there, and over here we say if way to go equals 1, then we say, I don't know, So, and then I'm going to duplicate this thing. Duplicate. Put it here. Where to go to? Yes, that was a spelling mistake. And yeah, so that is it. And we have to put an ellipse over here. Sorry about that. And we need to write else for the everything. Well, I don't think so. We need to write else. So we say if over here now. If where to go equals 1, then we just say double quote. Lost. So it's more like a riddle question, and over here we just need to duplicate that, put it over here, and like copy, paste. What is mine here? Why? And the last one is the correct one, so duplicate, like not duplicate, copy paste, equals 3, Yes, so I think it's done and we have a functional game, so let's try it out. So this is basically a REPL's problem. It's not a problem with our code or this thing. Always night world thing. Let's go with that. Do and yeah, our code is correct, but there's something wrong. I think it's REPL. It's getting something like this. So I think that is it for the Python tutorial. This is the last Python tutorial, and go ahead and make whatever changes you want to make over here. You can add more stuff, but for me I think that it's over and this is already a lot of code. And so I can see you guys in the next video. This is it for the Python tutorial. We are done with our treasure hunt game fully, and you can go ahead and add more stuff, and you can share the link in the description. I can tell you again by clicking on the share button. Loading. Just copy the link over here and paste it down in the comment section. So bye guys.